Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you basically testing out the anti-cheat, Grim Anti-Cheat, which I just recently made a tutorial on how to get for your Minehut server. So first one is definitely going to prevent by totally lagging you out is the no fall hack. So as you can see, I've got the no fall hack enabled. If I try to fall, it will constantly glitch me out because it's detecting that I'm using no fall. And it will give a little alert that says Olectralab failed timer, and that's basically just an alert that I'm hacking using no fall. I'm just going to fly back down to the ground now. Next hack that this anti-cheat prevents is the Jesus hack. So if I turn the Jesus hack on right now and try to walk on water, what is going to happen is it's just going to continuously suck me into the water until I turn it off. So Jesus hack is not going to work at all. The next one that I do believe it prevents is flight. So if I try and use flight hacks right now, it's going to give Olectralab failed simulation, and it'll keep giving alerts that I'm basically hacking. Basically, Olectralab failed simulation just means that I've been caught hacking by the server, I guess. The next one I think is Spider. So if I just go ahead and enable Spider, I can't remember where it is exactly. I don't know if it has a shortcut key or not. If I go down here, where are we? Spider. If I go to climb this tree, it's going to just totally prevent me, so Spider's not going to work. I believe it also prevents things like boat fly and, you know, all of those other things. I'm not sure about Kill Aura though. I do think you can get away with using Kill Aura, but it will give off an alert that you're sending too many packets. So if I turn on Kill Aura, the no fall hack, yeah, you can see that it's alert. So, you know, it'll alert basically everyone on the server, or you, I think, that Olectralab failed simulation, which just means I'm hacking. I've been caught hacking by the server here. And yeah, a bunch of things. It does not stop players from using X-ray. So Grim AC, you can press X. As you can see, I can still see all of the ores. So nothing is stopping me from X-raying. However, I have installed another anti-X-ray plugin, which is pretty easy to do. All you do is go into the Minehut server control thing. You go into add-ons, and you just type in anti-X-ray and find ones that's compatible, and just click install. It's pretty simple. So I'm not going to necessarily make a tutorial on that unless anyone wants me to. And the command for that is /xr, and then Olectralab, obviously, because I'm the only one on the server right now. It's whitelisted while I'm testing anti-cheat and stuff like that. And it will show exactly how much iron, quartz, lapis, redstone, gold, emerald, diamond that I've been mining recently. So if you see someone and in the last 5 minutes they have a crazy amount of iron and diamonds and whatever, you can probably determine that they're hacking. So you just do /xr and then the player's name. And then one step further, you can use the Grim Anti-Cheat, and you can go Grim Spectate, and then the player. Obviously, I can't do it on myself, but you'd go and spectate them to see how their branch mining is looking, if it's looking like X-ray or not. Yeah, so this Grim Anti-Cheat does prevent the majority of movement hacks and stuff like that. Some movement hacks, and it will. Well, it doesn't prevent them, but it will alert you to the fact that that person is hacking. I think you might be able to, punish them automatically somehow. I'm not entirely sure how that works yet, because I only just learned how to install it today. But yeah, just a quick demo of how the anti-cheat works. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.